Hello friends and potential friends. Well, I think I mentioned the other day that I was rapidly running out of patience, and I am now completely out. As a result, I just received an order from MI Gardener, 3 different types of asparagus crowns, 2-year crowns. I got 8 of the Mary Washington, 8 of the Purple Passion, and 4 of the Millennium, or Millennial. Now, I got a sneaky feeling, and one of my friends, KJ, Kaleidoscope Junkie, mentioned this as well, wondering if the soil down here, and especially in these raised beds, is just too hot for asparagus. And that's entirely possible. I did a little bit more looking around and found out that these 2 varieties, the Mary Washington and the Purple Passion, are supposed to be good in zones 3 to 9. The Millennial, or Millennium, is supposed to be good in zones 3 to 8. Well, I'm in 9B down here, and it gets pretty warm. So I guess I'm kind of trying to push the limits a little bit as far as getting this to grow. But I'm going to go ahead and put 2 of those varieties here in what used to be the Patience Garden. Now is the Lack of Patience Garden. And the Millennium, I think I may put in that round bed over there. It'll get a little bit more shade over there than it would out here. This experience has been, well, it certainly has tried my patience from time to time. Reminds me of an old cartoon I saw way back in the day. 2 buzzards sitting in a tree. One of them turns to the other and says, "Patience my butt, I'm gonna go kill something." Well, this is my version of killing something. Basically, what I'm gonna do is follow the instructions that came with the asparagus. I'm gonna dig trenches several inches deep, put a little bit of a hill down the middle of the trench, and then spread out the dormant roots on both sides of that little hill. Bury them all so the crowns will be about 2 inches under the soil, and then water everything in real good. And when they start coming up, yes, I do say when, not if, then I'll slowly, gradually build up the level of the soil a little bit more till I get up close, somewhere near the top. But let me put you up here in the tripod, and I'm going to get into it before it gets any hotter out here. Well, there you have it. Just need to water that in good, put my tags at the right places. Had a couple extra crowns in each of those bags, so should be plenty of it in there. Now I'm gonna go, I guess I'm gonna pull up the cabbage collards and kale and clear out that round bed and put the millennium over there. Well, that takes care of that. There were actually 5 crowns in that package too. I put them in the center of the bed. And I'll probably just keep that basil around the edges. But it's starting to get hot out here. I'm going to get back in the air conditioning, so see y'all next time.